get the apple peel. Alright, then once you peel up, once you get the apple, cut it up into some small pieces, put it into the water like this. Alright. Alright, here it is. So I'm using one medium-sized apple, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using roughly about half a cinnamon stick into it, okay? I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of cloves into the water, alright? And to be honest with you guys, if you have some fresh mint, you can just put a little piece of fresh mint into it, and that will just definitely bring in a lovely flavor to the water, alright? Yeah. So we got some fresh mint into it, and then we're gonna put a little piece of a ginger. Alright, we're gonna grate a piece of a ginger. Alright, we're gonna grate a little piece of a ginger. That's lovely. Alright, we're about a teaspoon of ginger. Fresh organic ginger. That's the best you could ever get. Look at that. So we're just gonna boil up this for a few minutes. So I want you guys to join Chef Recorded tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock or after 8. Alright, I may do it after 8 to catch you guys, alright? So as you can see, that's the water start to boil. Alright. A lot of people doesn't know that the apple have a lot of health benefit. Very, very good for you, okay? Just like what I talk about the pineapple skin. Do not throw away the pineapple skin. It's the same thing you can do right here. Alright. But as you can see, just a few ingredients. Alright. Few ingredients, guys. Trust me, you guys definitely can do this at home, alright? Here it is. Mint, apple, ginger, and some cloves. That is such a very beautiful recipe for you to make at home. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this teaspoon and taste the flavor. If the flavor is right. You can taste the ginger, and also the cloves is very strong in it because I put quite a few cloves inside of it. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off the cooker and allow it for it to simmer down. And like when you go into your bed, alright, this is also very good for you to drink, guys. Alright, this one is gonna be a very, very, very good drink from Chef Ricardo to you tonight. Alright, so we're gonna get a green tea bag right here. We're gonna be using a green tea bag into this, and this is a very secretly recipe from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Alright, yeah. So what we would do, let's put this over here. Fantastic. Alright, yeah, that's looking good. Let's go over here. Here it is. So we're gonna pour off this, and I put the green tea bag inside of it. All right, that's looking fantastic. All right. Got the tea bag also inside of it. Okay, such a lovely recipe, guys. I just decided to give you something before you go to your bed tonight, because it's important for you guys to drink something like this. Okay, look at this. Wow, put some fresh mint in it. Allow that mint for it to stay right in it like that. Okay, that is so lovely